In this video, we will learn how to create a professional business website in WordPress in just 10 minutes. The best part is that you need no coding or previous experience. You can create and customize the whole website without any coding language. This tutorial is designed especially for beginners and first-time website creators. We'll use a completely free WordPress theme to build the site. First of all, to create a website, you need a domain and hosting. All the data and images will be stored in the web hosting space. That's why choosing the best hosting company is essential. First, we'll start by choosing a reliable web hosting. We're going with SiteGround, one of the most trusted and independently owned hosting providers. SiteGround powers over 3 million domains worldwide and is known for its strong uptime, fast performance, and world-class support. They offer a triple-layer security shield. First, at the server level, they have 24/7 expert admins monitoring for threats and responding instantly to any security incidents. Second, their application level uses advanced AI protection that blocks up to 2 million brute force attacks every hour, stopping malicious traffic before it can reach your site. Finally, they offer free geo-distributed backups, meaning your data is stored across multiple locations worldwide, with 30 days of automated daily backups. You get enterprise-grade protection that most companies charge extra for, at no additional cost. They also offer top-tier 24/7 expert human support across 3 different channels: live chat, a ticketing system, and phone. Their team resolves over 90% of inquiries within the first interaction, with almost no waiting time on live chat and phone, and a response time of 10 to 15 minutes for tickets. SiteGround makes your website faster with 3 types of caching: static, dynamic, and memcached, which can make your site load up to 5 times faster. They also use a special ultra-fast PHP that loads pages 30% faster than normal. You also get a free plugin called SiteGround Optimizer for WordPress and an easy-to-use CDN that helps your site load quickly from anywhere in the world, no tech skills needed. With fast loading speed, 99.9% uptime, free SSL, and strong performance, SiteGround helps your website run better and rank higher on Google. SiteGround offers 3 main hosting plans: Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek. The Startup plan is best for beginners with just one website. But if you're building a business site and want more speed, storage, and the ability to host multiple websites, I recommend going with the Grow Big plan. It also includes SiteGround's ultra-fast caching and on-demand backup copies, which can really help your site run smoothly and stay secure. Click on Get Plan. Write the domain name you want to have, or if you have an existing domain, you can use that. Now fill up this page and complete the payment. You can change the data center from here. It should be the location from which most visitors will come. Now complete the payment. After completing the purchase, log in to your SiteGround account. Then click on Services. You will find your hosting plan here. Click on Create Website to build your dream project. I am using an existing domain in this hosting. Then continue. Migrating a website means you already have a website, but you want to move your website to SiteGround. We will build this website from scratch. We are choosing this option. SiteGround has its website builder, which is very easy to use, but this time I am using WordPress for newcomers. Give a login email and password, which will be your admin access to your own website. They are offering additional security. Currently, I don't need. Website creation in progress. All set. Here, they gave name servers because my domain was purchased from a different company. To connect your domain and hosting, you must change the name servers to this one. If you buy the domain from SiteGround, you may not face any issue, also SiteGround's support system will. Let me change the name server. It changed successfully. Now, to start working on the website, go to the Site Tools option. You will get this same option under the Website section. Here, all the necessary tools are given. First, we will install SSL certificate. If we don't install this, our site may look like this. Choose Let's Encrypt, then go. Then jump to HTTP Enforce. And enable HTTPS. Let's visit our website. Our website is in fresh condition. From here, you can manage the WordPress installation too. To log in directly to your website, click here. These are showing for the first time login. Just skip it. Let's start creating the professional business website. Add a new theme. Under the Popular section, you will find the Astra theme. Just install and activate it. After activating, you will see a pop-up like this. By getting started using this starter template, you can easily create a free website without knowing any coding knowledge. If you don't see this option here, you will find this there. Activate it. Choose the classic starter template. Here you will find pre-designed web templates. Choose Elementor. You will see a lot of ready-to-use designs, many of which are free. Only these tagged are premium. Just find the perfect one for you. I think this one is good for me. Now choose color palettes and fonts. Then continue. Then move forward. Submit and build the website. Website creation is done, just view the website. The website feels very smooth and fast. Just because SiteGround's fast data centers, the website loads faster. To modify any elements of this website, click on Edit with Elementor. After successfully loading the page, just select which part you want to do the modification. Just change. Also, you can change the images or elements just with a few fingertips. You can upload an image from here or search for stock images from this option. Change the headings or texts based on your desire. And make sure you click on the Publish button after each modification. See, our change is saved. You can also check that it already has a ready-made About Us page. It is very organized. Let me create a contact form here so that visitors can easily reach you through email. Go to the Plugins section. and open a form. You will see there is a default contact form here. Edit it. A default contact form is already created here. It already has the required fields. If you need more fields, then just drag and drop here. And then you can modify the labels and options. You can mark this field as required. You can preview this contact form from this button. I am saving this. Now edit this page. Click on the blank box. Now choose the contact form. Instantly, the contact form becomes visible. Publish it. After filling up the form, visitors will click on the Send Message button. Then you will receive an email like this. Let's see how to change the header section, just like the logo, menu, etc. Here is the logo change option. You can upload your desired logo from here. Also, changing the menu is very easy. Go to the menu option. Choose the page you want to add to the menu section, then click on Add to Menu. You can find a detailed video on this in our channel for this customization. Now, let's show how to change the social links. Just go to Customization. Remember one thing, to modify the header and footer, use the Customization option. And, to modify the body part of the website, use Edit with Elementor. Go to the Footer Builder. Click on the Social option. Now you can modify the social links. After the changes are done, click on Publish. Then go back to our site. The link is working. By doing these modifications to your website, the initial website build is done. Let's check our SiteGround dashboard. Under the Website section, you will find the Website Login and Tools. By clicking here, you can directly log in to your website. Also, you can check the extras by SiteGround. Just like the CDN, we had this free with our hosting plan. Let's check it. As a beginner, this free plan is more than enough. Just activate it. Oh, they moved me to the Site Tools. Maybe I have to activate it from here. CDN activated successfully. They have an excellent support system. If you ever feel unsure about anything, just click on this button. They have their own trained AI to assist you. Also, you can get human live chat support using this option. And that's it. SiteGround gives you everything you need to succeed online, from reliable hosting to powerful email marketing tools that help you reach and grow your audience. Plus, with their easy-to-use website builder, creating a stunning and professional website is simpler than ever. So if you're ready to take your business online, SiteGround is a solid choice to get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one. To get special offers, click on the link in the description, and feel free to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you face any issue, just ask me in the comments section.